travel and discovery. Hello everyone, welcome to Santorini, one of the most famous travel paradises in the world. Santorini, located in Greece in the Aegean Sea, is renowned for its pristine white villages, iconic blue domed roofs, and colorful narrow alleys. This island not only attracts visitors with its breathtaking natural beauty, but also holds many mysterious stories about ancient civilizations. Santorini was formed from volcanic activity thousands of years ago, creating unique landscapes with towering cliffs, smooth black sand beaches, and stunning bays. In addition to its striking scenery, Santorini is also famous for its rich cuisine, ancient temples, and vibrant Greek culture. These features make the island a popular destination not just for nature lovers, but also for those wanting to explore its history and culture. Let's explore the wonderful beauty of Santorini, from its streets to its hidden corners. Welcome to Fira, the administrative and cultural center of Santorini. Situated more than 300 meters above sea level, Fira offers a spectacular view of the magnificent Caldera Bay. The marble-paved streets here are always bustling with luxury shops, cafes, and restaurants. Additionally, the archaeological and art museums in the area preserve the rich historical story of the island. Fira is not only a place to enjoy, but also an ideal starting point to explore other remarkable landmarks of Santorini. Whether you're soaking in the views, indulging in local cuisine, or diving into the island's history, Fira offers a perfect blend of culture and beauty. Oia, the jewel of Santorini, is famous for having the most beautiful sunsets in the world and is a must-visit destination. Located on the island's northwest coast, the town is known for its distinctive Cycladic architecture, pristine white houses, deep blue domed roofs, and winding cobblestone streets. In the 19th century, Oia was a thriving commercial hub, and many historical landmarks from this period remain today. Visiting Oia not only allows you to enjoy breathtaking views, but also offers the opportunity to explore the unique cultural and historical features of the town, making it an unforgettable experience. The next stop is the summit of Prophet Elias, the highest point on the island of Santorini. Standing at 1,860 feet. From here, you can enjoy a panoramic view of the entire island. From the vibrant beaches to the peaceful villages. At the top of the mountain, you'll find the Prophet Elias Monastery. Built in the 18th century, which houses valuable historical artifacts and unique religious art. The serene atmosphere here offers a sense of tranquility, allowing you to connect with nature and appreciate the majestic beauty of Santorini from a different perspective. It's a perfect place for reflection and awe. Santorini is blessed with unique beaches, each with its own distinctive colors. The Red Beach stands out with its vibrant red volcanic cliffs, serving as a living testament to the island's geological history. Meanwhile, the White Beach is quieter and features pure white sand and pebbles. Notably, Kamari Black Beach attracts visitors with its mysterious black sand. Making it an ideal spot for swimming and relaxation. Each beach is not only a recreational destination, but also tells its own story about the formation of Santorini. Adding to the island's fascinating natural beauty. Let's explore Scaros Rock, which once served as a sturdy medieval fortress protecting the island of Santorini from attacks. While only ruins remain today, the beauty of this place is still impressive, especially when you climb to the summit and take in the panoramic view of the caldera. The path to Scaros may be a bit rugged, but it offers a rewarding experience. The blend of natural beauty and ancient history will make you feel as if you've stepped into a mythical tale. Be sure to bring your camera to capture this amazing moment. Pyrgos is an ancient village situated on a high hill. Once the capital of Santorini before Fira took its place. The winding, narrow streets, old Byzantine churches, and the 13th century Pyrgos castle create a nostalgic beauty that captivates every visitor. Here, you can experience the slow-paced, peaceful life of the locals. Stop by a small cafe, sip on a traditional Greek coffee, and enjoy the quiet, poetic atmosphere where time seems to slow down. Allowing you to listen to the stories of the past. It's a perfect place to immerse yourself in the island's rich history and serene charm. One experience you cannot miss when visiting Santorini is the hike to the volcanic island of Nea Kameni. After boarding the boat, you will immediately sense the mystique of this place. The walk on the volcanic surface takes you through gray cliffs and steam clouds rising from still active volcanic vents. The feeling of walking on hot, uneven ground and witnessing the remnants of powerful movements beneath the earth will leave you in awe. This is a fantastic opportunity to explore unique landscapes and gain a deeper understanding of the island's formation process. Located at the southwestern tip of Santorini, the Akrotiri Lighthouse is one of the best spots to watch the sunset. Built in the 19th century, this lighthouse not only serves as a guide for sailors, but also symbolizes endurance through time. From here, you can admire the vast Aegean Sea, where the setting sun creates a picturesque scene. Standing in this peaceful space, you'll feel a deep connection with nature and enjoy a moment of absolute tranquility, making it the perfect place to reflect and appreciate the beauty around you. The journey of exploring Santorini has come to an end, but the emotions this island evokes will linger in your heart. Every step through the ancient streets, every sunset viewed over a moody bay, makes you feel the island's mysterious and captivating beauty. Santorini is not just a travel destination. It's an emotional journey where you immerse yourself in nature, history, and rich culture. Santorini will undoubtedly remain an unforgettable part of your memories. If you enjoyed this video and found it meaningful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave any questions or comments in the section below. Wishing you amazing adventures, and see you in the next video.